Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This is a review of a trade which I executed recently on NQ. Keep in mind that this is not a hindsight video or a trade which I took secretly. This trade was executed on our YouTube live stream. Yes, I do live streaming every day in this YouTube channel at 9:30 a.m. New York time. Now let's dive into our trade review. Before that, if you guys like the way I explain these things, please give a like to this video. Every day I would start my analysis from the daily time frame. On daily time frame, you can clearly see that the price is bullish. Why do I say that? Price is following the bullish PDRS. You can see here that the price has reacted from this daily fair value gap and it has moved higher. Later, it has reacted from this daily fair value gap and it is again trying to move higher. This is the reason why I said the price is bullish on the daily time frame. Now let's switch to 4-hour time frame to confirm my bias. On 4-hour time frame, price has taken out this sell side liquidity and has started moving higher. When it moved higher, one of the 4-hour candle didn't had a wick to the downside. I call this as a manipulation-less candle. So whenever this type of candle forms, the price come back to that area at some point of time. That is exactly what has happened. Price has returned to that area and it has again started moving higher. This is where I confirm my bias as bullish. So daily time frame gave us the bias, 4-hour time frame confirmed our bias. Now how do I trade this setup? I would explain you exactly what my trading model is. Before that, if you guys are planning to purchase any futures funded account, check out Lucid Trading Futures. These guys run the best futures prop firm in the industry. They have the best rules, the fastest payout times, and the best pricing. When you purchase any accounts with Lucid Trading, you can use the code Maxwel Trades to get 50% discount on any account types. Now I will explain you my trading model. Every day a 4-hour candle opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 10 a.m. At this point, a new 4-hour candle opens. This particular candle is what I am going to trade. So every day my trades will be after the 10 a.m. New York time. I will be trading the power of 3 model, which means for every candle there will be a open, low, high and close. If I am bullish and expecting the price to form a green candle, then what will I expect? I will expect a open, low, high and close. So now you can see here that the new 4-hour candle has opened at 10 a.m. and it is starting to move lower. I consider this as manipulation. So a open, low, high and close is in process. Now I will switch to 15 minutes time frame to look for trades. On 15 minutes time frame, what I see is price has manipulated towards the downside and has reacted from this 15 minutes fair value gap. As soon as I see this reaction from this 15 minutes fair value gap, I switch to 1 minute time frame to look for entries. On 1 minute time frame, I can see here that price has given us a displacement and also it has reacted from this 1 minute fair value gap. I have got all the confirmations needed for taking a trade except one thing. Unless and until I see an SMT forming, I will not enter any trade. So I waited further until an SMT is formed. So here, as soon as I saw this SMT forming and giving us a bullish close, I entered the trade. This is how the trade went. Initially, the trade went higher as I expected, but later it started retracing. It retraced and retraced and retraced and it retraced too much, in fact. Thank goodness it did not hit my stop loss because later it started pulling up. It pulled up and up and up until it reached my take profit. So this is how the trade played out. I hope you guys like the way I explained these things. If you really like this video, give a like to this video and comment your thoughts here. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and wait until my next live stream. Goodbye.